Hello everyone. In this video, we are discuss how can an international business and transportation law create an impact on the business. International business and transportation law can have a significant impact on business that operate in the global marketplace. Here are some cross-border transaction. International business law governs transactions between businesses in different countries, such as the sales of goods or services. These transactions can be subject to a range of legal and regulatory requirements, including import-export regulations, custom law, and tax law. Dispute resolution: when business operate across borders, disputes may arise that require resolution through international arbitration or litigation. International business law provides a framework for resolving disputes that cross national boundaries. Transportation law regulates the movement of goods and people across borders. Businesses that engage in international trade need to be aware of the regulations govern transportation by sea, air, and land, as well as the requirement for customs clearance, documentation, and insurance. Intellectual property: international business law also covers intellectual property rights, including patents, trademark, and copyright. Businesses that operate international need to be aware of the different law and regulation governing intellectual property in different countries to protect their rights and avoid infringement. Compliance: international business law imposes various compliance requirements on businesses operating across borders, such as anti-corruption laws, data privacy law, and sanction law. Failure to comply with these requirements can lead to significant legal and financial consequences. Overall, international business and transportation law can create both opportunities and challenges for businesses operating in the global marketplace. Understand and complying with these laws is essential for businesses to avoid legal and financial risk and take advantages of the benefit of international trade.